it's Riss here to lead you on your magical journey to finding your Tipsily ever after. Today we're going to be making a drink that is a true staple of the magical world, but one that not everyone always has time to get over to the Three Broomsticks to enjoy. So we're going to learn how to make it at home. I'm talking, of course, about butterbeer! Before we can make this drink though, we're going to need to first gather a few ingredients. Whipped cream vodka, butterscotch schnapps, cream soda, and heavy whipping cream. You will also need a few key tools in your inventory before we can begin. A mixing bowl, a tablespoon, a regular spoon, 1/4 cup, a whisk, a shot glass, and a glass mug. Preferably with a handle, but it doesn't really matter. So since this isn't technically real beer, we're not fermenting yeast in our cabinet for a few weeks, we're going to need to make it in 2 parts in order to get the look of a beer. We're gonna make the actual drink itself, and then we're going to make a foamy head to plop on top so it looks like a foamy beer was just poured. So the first thing we're going to do is to make that foamy head and set it to the side so it's ready when we are. The first step is to take 1 tablespoon of butterscotch schnapps and put it in your mixing bowl. Second step is to take 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and add it to the mixing bowl. Then you just whisk it all together. Eventually, you're gonna get a foam! Blop, blop, blop. It's not milk anymore. We're gonna set this aside and make the drink itself. First, we're gonna do 1 shot of whipped cream vodka. Secondly, we're going to add 1 shot of butterscotch schnapps. Then we're gonna top it off with cream soda. Make sure to leave a little room for the head at the top of the glass. So, as you can see, it's got a nice bubbly amber look of a real beer. The only thing that's missing is the foamy head on top that'll complete the look. So to add our foamy head on top, we're just gonna grab our spoon in that foamy mix we made, and we're just gonna plop it on top. Now this stuff is delicious, but it's also for the aesthetic, so make sure you get it looking how you want it to look. Behold, our final concoction, 1 beautiful glass of butterbeer. Now, clearly this was not made with real beer, it is full of liquor, so don't chug too many. Looking at you, Winky. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I've also included the recipe to this drink down below in case you need to make haste on your journey. I wish you good fortune until we meet again. Farewell.